Hello friends. Welcome to the Civil Hub. Today we study about the political associations before the Indian National Congress. So let's start. The Indian National Congress was not the first political organization in India. However, most of the political associations in the early half of the 19th century were dominated by wealthy and aristocratic elements. They were local or regional in character. Through long petitions to the British Parliament, most of them demanded administrative reforms, association of Indians with the administration, and spread of education. The political associations of the second half of the 19th century came to be increasingly dominated by the educated middle class, the lawyers, journalists, doctors, teachers, and they had a wider perspective and a larger agenda. 1. The Bangabhasha Prakasika Sabha was formed in 1836 by associates of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. 2. The Zamindari Association, more popularly known as the Landholders Society, was founded to safeguard the interests of the landlords. Although limited in its objectives, the Landholders Society marked the beginning of an organized political activity and use of methods of constitutional agitation for the redressal of grievances. 3. The Bengal British India Society was founded in 1843 with object of the collection and dissemination of information relating to the actual condition of the people of British India and to employ such other means of peaceful and lawful character as may appear calculated to secure the welfare, extend the just rights and advance the interests of all classes of our fellow subjects. In 1851, both the Landholders Society and the Bengal British India Society merged into the British Indian Association. 4. The East India Association was organized by Dadabhai Naoroji in 1866 in London to discuss the Indian question and influence public men in England to promote Indian welfare. Later, branches of the association were started in prominent Indian cities. 5. The Indian League was started in 1875 by Shishir Kumar Ghosh with the object of stimulating the sense of nationalism amongst the people, and of encouraging political education. 6. The Indian Association of Calcutta, also known as Indian National Association, superseded the Indian League and was founded in 1876 by younger nationalists of Bengal led by Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose, who were getting discontented with the conservative and pro-landlord policies of the British Indian Association. The Indian Association was the most important of pre-Congress associations and aimed to promote by every legitimate means the political, intellectual and material advancement of the people. The Indian Association protested against the reduction of age limit in 1877 for candidates of the civil service examination. The association demanded simultaneous holding of civil service examination in England and India and Indianization of higher administrative posts. It led a campaign against the Repressive Arms Act and the Vernacular Press Act. The association sponsored an All India Conference which first took place in Calcutta on December 28–30, 1833. More than 100 delegates from different parts of the country attended. So, in a way, the association was a forerunner of the Indian National Congress as an all-India nationalist organization. It later merged with the Indian National Congress in 1886.